In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Hostinger Hpanel quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. We'll start by navigating to the Hostinger website. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in Hostinger's web address. Once you land on their homepage, look for the button that says Start Now. Clicking this will take you to the page where you can explore different hosting options. Now here you'll see a variety of plans laid out in front of you. Take your time to consider the features and pricing for each one. Once you've decided which plan is perfect for your needs, go ahead and click on Choose Plan. After selecting your plan, you'll be prompted to choose your subscription period. Consider how long you want to commit. Longer terms typically offer better rates. Once that's done, it's time to provide your billing information. Carefully fill out your details, ensuring accuracy to avoid any issues during checkout. After inputting your information, you'll move on to choosing your payment method. Hostinger offers several options, so select the one that you are most comfortable using. Once all your details are correctly filled out and you've chosen a payment method, click Submit Payment. This will confirm your purchase and transition you to the next phase of setting up your hosting. Now that you've secured your hosting plan, you should click on Check Out Hpanel. The Hpanel is where you can manage all aspects of your hosting service. Next, you'll be asked about the purpose of your website. Consider whether it's for personal use, business, or perhaps something else. This helps tailor some features to your needs. You'll also need to decide if you want to create a new website or migrate an existing one. For new creations, Hostinger offers easy-to-use tools that simplify the process. Moving forward, choose where you want to build your website. Popular platforms include WordPress, Joomla, or others depending on what functionalities you're aiming for. You will then proceed to choose a domain name. This is a critical step because your domain name is essentially your website's address on the internet. Once you've made your choice, hit Next. You're almost there. Customize your website appearance using Hostinger's AI tools. These will help you adjust aesthetic elements with ease, from colors to layout. Once done, click on Create a Website. Now, you have the flexibility to change colors, edit text, and add various elements to make the site uniquely yours. The next step would involve linking your newly built site to your selected domain. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to connect the two. After this, go ahead and click Next Step, and you're nearly at the finish line. The last prompt is to click Continue, finalizing your website setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Hostinger Hpanel and created your website. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy hosting!